the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister should come and apologize in the casualty. That is our demand. Okay.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately. Yeah.
What if he does not apologize?
So we, because we are supported by the guard, that's a GMC Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty doctors associations, as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it's not been accepted, then we may go to strike from today onward.
Any discussion with the minister? We are discussing with him.
We already have a discussion with the dean. We have given a memorandum in the morning session. Yeah.
Because what exactly happened that day?
On that 7th, actually, as per the incident was nothing. One relative came asking to give an injection, just a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection, where she came in emergency department, is not part of an emergency injection. Yeah, vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So we said you have to go to the OPDs or nearby PSCs because it is not an emergency injection.
This is the first incident happened in GMC. Earlier also
This was the first incident which I can recall. Yeah. No, casualty, our emergency department is of tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the healthcare system of Goa, where only serious critical patient has to be handled. Nowadays, anything means even minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So it is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never, that is also vitamin B12 injection is never an emergency.
Minister काल इथून
एका चॅनलाचेर अपॉलॉजी मागल्या तुम्ही एक्सेप्ट करता का?
I have seen the video, but it is a studio apology. So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen. So it is in front of the people.
In public.
In the public.
It should be recorded.
It could be recorded, and as it went viral, my humiliation went viral. The same thing has to be also should be viral, everyone, because I was humiliated completely that day. So I want every people should know his apology.
So what is the deadline you given by when Minister should apologize?
No, it could be within 24 hours he has to apologize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Feeling which you will be going to the strike.
Yeah.
And the strike will be continued.
Continue and continue.
This will mean a complete shutdown of the services of the hospital?
Yeah, it will be complete shutdown. We have already given because we have already given a memorandum.
So service will be cut down.
Yeah, services will be shut.
Treatment and all.
Yeah. We are giving 24 hours.
But we don't think
Yeah, videography. I think it's morning. It's Dean is already informed about all this thing. We have discussed it about the videography.
shutdown legally possible असा?
ज्यांना तुम्ही शटडाऊन करतले खूपसे पेशंट असतले
No, that you can ask Dean.
पण ट्रीटमेंट जे पेशंट असतात ते उरले न्हू खूपशे क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांनी
No,
असता पेशंट.
emergency initially we'll see, but even if emergency made, we have given a letter to the Dean that emergency may also shut down.
So no doctors will be working.
We are thinking on that. We are not yet decided, but we are thinking on that. Yeah.
But
We are here for the patients. We are here for the patient. That day also, when the incident happened, the Honorable HM had told me to go from the casualty at 12 o'clock, but I stayed there till 2:30, till my next doctor come. We are here for the patients. We are not against the patient. We want the proper treatment is to be given to the patient.
ते ॲप्रिशिएट करता मी पण आता तुम्ही म्हटलं की जर अपोलोची गावांना 24 भितर जाल्यार तुम्ही सर्विसीस बंद करतली पण त्या टायमार तुमकां दिसना खुबशे पेशंट ते खंय तरी सफर जावं शकता.
We'll see that services, we'll discuss about that, and we'll see that the services doesn't affect the emergency cases.
You have a support from All India.
Yeah, All India Doctors Association has also supported
They
us.
spoke to you.
The IMA has informed us this.
And you said also human rights.
Yeah, we might go to human rights. Yeah.
Either will be continue protest here now or
It will be continued protest here.